Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So introducing the stationery, Dome's super dark pencil, Dome's eraser and the Dome's sketch pen. So I'll be using this to make the drawing today, and also introducing the Staedtler Luna pencil that I'll be using for coloring the drawing. So now we start with the drawing. Today I'm going to draw a tissue box. So making the basic structure with the pencil first. I'm making a sleeping line here. Now making another sleeping line. This is a bit longer. So making one more sleeping line at the bottom. Joining them with the slanting line on the sides. Joining this with the standing line. Making tissue box is very easy. So inside it I'll be making one more sleeping line, another one here, and again joining them with the slanting line on the sides. This is basically the opening of the tissue box from where we'll be taking out the tissues. So now drawing a slanting line, we'll be showing a tissue here, another slanting line, one more, and another one. So we are joining the top of it with a wavy line. Some are smaller, some are bigger. So just look at the lines carefully, it is not that difficult. Now outlining the outer part. We don't have to do all the lines, as the upper sleeping line is hidden behind the tissue now. So outlining the tissue box, the same way the outer line, the upper line of the tissue box also, the boundary is hidden behind the tissue, so we do not need to outline it. Outlining rest of the lines. Now inside this we are making one more rectangle. If you want to add another pattern, any other design, you can do that. So this was basically the basic drawing of a tissue box. So once we are done with the drawing, we'll erase the extra lines, all the pencil lines. The links for the products that I use for my drawing videos are all available in the video's description, so you can go there and check them out. I am starting with the coloring part. So I am adding a little bit yellow shade in the tissue. I am not coloring the whole tissue yellow, just to give a shading effect on it. Now adding the dark brown color here to show the depth. So I am adding a darker shade here. Doing the purple color in the tissue box top. So you can do any colors of your choice. This is just for an example. Adding orange color on this side. And lastly, doing the green color on the outer border. I hope you have liked the video, and it was very easy drawing today. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also you can let me know in the comment section about this video and what you want me to draw for the next tutorial. You can check the links of all the products in the video description. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.